there's like a really parabolic bull where, you know, a number of different things start happening, right? Like maybe you have a lot of countries, you have a lot of these companies, and then retail
Companies
comes
coming in.
back.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, yeah. And then, I mean, you know, a thing that probably your viewers are tracking as well is like the available, at least I'm talking about Bitcoin supply on exchanges
Yep.
is, you know, like that could get
Dropping
all
and
get,
low and getting lower. Oh yeah. 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 Yeah.
yeah, that's been dropping steadily and that could get really low. And that's where you could start seeing like, you know, if there's buyers that are mandated. I mean, that's kind of the one thing with the strategic reserve or whatever's happening with that. Like there's gonna be a lot of front running
Yep. Yep.
because that's going to be announced, the amount's going to be announced and everything's like that. But once they
Yep.
commit to that, they're like committed to that and the market's going
Yep.
to have to price that in. And if all that Bitcoin is swamped up and still the government is mandated
Yep.
to
To buy
buy at
and
a
retail
certain
comes back. Yep.
and retail comes back, then
Yep.
you will see, you know, that's where I think, you know, I'm not gonna say it myself, but you've had people like Samson who think have done the math or whatever and have come out with like a million or 1.5
Yeah.
million. Like
Yeah.
I
I
don't
saw
know
that one.
exactly what the
Yeah. Yeah.
number, but the basic point is that like once that liquid supply is not
Yep.
available, right? Like a lot of really weird things can happen with price discovery.
Yep.
And
Yep.
so I think that can be like a really bullish factor.